There's a turtle coming out. He's down over on your right side now, but you guys are getting a nice view of it.
Wow.
I'm not sure who he likes more. Seems like both of you guys. Hold the boat nice and steady and steer it over the side and into the water. Into the water, I say we come.
Alright, we just had a great kayak and snorkel in Makena in the Wailea area. We saw lots of turtles. We went to the 5 Caves area.
And one of the turtles was right next to like me, Rebecca, and Mommy.
Yeah, so cool to see. And we saw them being cleaned by little fish that are eating things off the shell. Really great experience. We're just hanging out with turtles for a long time. Alright, we're at the Grand Wailea. We're gonna walk around the hotel. Now we're walking over to the shops at Wailea to get some Lappert's ice cream. I got the passion fruit and the caramel coconut macadamia nut ice cream. And you got passion fruit and Kauai pie? What flavors did you get, Rebecca?
Raspberry and Oreo cookie crunch or crumbles.
Raspberry and chocolate chip cookie dough? The girls look relaxed.
I like both of them as my thing.
They're both really good. But I really like that coconut caramel macadamia nut. It's really good flavor.
You'll never get a Kauai pie somewhere else. But I really like the passion fruit, really hit the spot.
So we actually went to the pool yesterday after the beach, but I forgot to put that in. So here's a little bit from the pool.
Yes, Emma with her goggles on, Pumpkin with her goggles on, and I have my goggles on.
All right. Ready for the pool.
Wait, got it.
Hey, she went through. This is Pumpkin's second time in Hawaii. We'll put a clip of when she was in Hawaii last, right here. Tonight we're having monkey pod for dinner, which is right next to our condo. There's our condo right there. This is the monkey pod Mai Tai with honey lilikoi foam on top. But that foam is good. It's like sweet. I have to mix it. Kind of hard to mix. That's good.
You ate it.
I'd say 5 out of 5 for an alcoholic drink.
5 out of 5. Woohoo!
I just tried the Mai Tai and it is spectacular. We got the foam that's very unique on here, and then a good ratio of the alcohol to the juice. Delicious.
Hey, Emma and Pumpkin, how is the lemonade?
It's so delicious. I just love it. I can't stand it. I love it. Also, it's like delicious. 5 out of 5. Awesome. Yeah, 5 out of 5.
This is macadamia nut encrusted sea bass. And Rachel's has panko crumbs.
That's
This is a Maui pineapple relish. The girl's got cheese pizza. It's on the kids' menu, but it's giant. Pizza good? Sea bass is delicious. Sea bass is really good.
I finished my pizza. Yum, yum, yum.
Kaylin almost ate the whole thing. Well, that was delicious.
Yes. Yum, 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 yum.
Alright, we're at the airport now, getting ready to go to Oahu, and they told us to get here 3 hours ahead of time, Hawaiian Airlines did. So we got here pretty early. This airport tram looks like the sugarcane train. The Starbucks line is quite long, even the police are getting Starbucks. Super small tray. Alright, we're on Oahu. That was a short 24-minute flight that we got to the airport 3 hours ahead of time for. Alright, we made it to the Aulani. Kaylin has a perfect backpack for the Aulani. Tropical Disney. Oh, Rebecca's also Tropical Disney. And you've got Castaway Key. I also have Castaway Key. Oh yeah, and our mini bag.
And Mommy has nothing.
We found a Menehune.
Oh, it's under the sea.
Yeah, it's cool.
Nuia e kalimu ono mako ke kahi ka pakai ila ila ko make make hevana e ko manao e mahalo kaloa e amaka papa.
Alright, we're doing the Menehune Trail.
I was born and raised on this magical island or land.
Right
Okay.
near the rock. Right here.
Alright, see if you can find it. Look on the grass. It's like a little weaselly thing. Here it is.
Red lava rock on the lawn.
Oh, it made a noise.
There.
Oh, he appeared. Oh, that's cool. Oh, good job finding that. Yeah. Oh, wow. It's a map of the Hawaiian Islands that appeared. Alright, we finished the Menehune Trail and we're now having some lunch at Off the Hook. I found another Menehune up in the corner. I didn't know there were Hawaiian owls. So this is the mushroom flatbread. Looks delicious. Rebecca got the chicken strips. Kaylin got a hot dog. And I got a hamburger. The mushrooms were Big Island mushrooms. I found a hidden Mickey.
Right here.
Nako mai ka inuio e ahaka we imine kalalo kai e aho ia ke kai ho pilini mai makahakai e paahana makala vela e hanai e aho ia kalala vale kalalo kai.
Wow.
Aholi no nai
Look, girls, it's still 1923. That's when the Disney company was started. Alright, Ken and I are going to go down the water slide. We flipped.
aku o ka puni mapu o ka naka pakele nai ka makau a o he hihia he nua na valu kalalo kai ku ono kano ana make kai nei ka hihi manu me ka mano o kani me ka ele hiu avela nave asilo kalalo kai ukeke ka veke ika ukeke koi ki kala iko na hika hani ka iko na pau.
Alright, we just came back from the pool and we're at our room. We're gonna check out the room. And on the door we have the Hawaiian State fish.
And some Mickey Mouse.
And some Mickeys. We have like a little kitchenette with a microwave, sink, dishwasher. They gave us Joffrey's coffee, which people say is really good. Aulani blend. They gave us some cups and things. Oh, there's a toaster oven up there. Nice lamp. It's kind of like, I don't know what this is, like a Hawaiian thing. Under the bed, there's room for lots of storage. As you can see, you can put your bags under the bed. Kind of like we had on the cruise. Nice tropical couch with a picture and a, I wonder if this opens up. Oh, it does. Ooh. Inside we have some pillows.
More pillows.
And the classic Mickey playing the ukulele lamp with the surfboard. We have a rain head shower head and another shower head. And they give you the Disney H2O soaps.
The soap has like this whatever
The little Aulani symbol. And then a separate area sliding door for the toilet room. Rebecca found a hidden Mickey. Bubble. This is the ocean view.
We see the ocean, but we also see the parking lot.
It's like not direct ocean, but it's pretty good ocean view. This is where the luau is gonna be. So we're in a DVC room. I guess that's why they give us the kitchenette. A hidden Mickey on the ground. At each corner, yeah. The elevators play Disney Hawaiian music. Whee, it's a Hawaiian water slide. Tonight we're eating at Makahiki. Rachel's wearing a very appropriate backpack with a Dole Whip and pineapples.
Yeah.
The colors are changing on the wall. It's so cool because it kind of highlights different colors in the painting. This wall is made from the inside of coconuts. Look up. I see a Menehune above you watching us eat dinner. This is a caprese salad. I got the corn soup. Caitlin got the salad. Rebecca got the veggie sticks. The soup was delicious. This is the ribeye steak with Hawaiian chimichurri sauce. Miso butterfish steak. And Rebecca got the
Spaghetti with meatballs.
spaghetti with meatballs. Oh, they cut your steak like on the Disney cruise. Is it all cut up?
Yeah, it looks like.
Oh, neat. So we just learned that the ceiling is coconut husks woven together. That is impressive. This is the Waialua Chocolate Toffee Brownie Crunch with Waialua Chocolate Fudge Brownie, Macadamia Nut Toffee Bar, and Vanilla Ice Cream.
And we got the chocolate cake.
It's gluten-free chocolate cake.